Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayu Aji Wijaya, NPM 234111196 from class management 23D. I want to convey material, sequences and series. Welcome to our presentation on sequences and series. In this journey, we'll explore the meaning, properties, types, pattern, formula, computation, and problem solving involving sequences and series. Understanding sequences and series. A sequences is a ordered list of numbers or terms that follow a specific pattern. In mathematics, a sequence or banjar or even misunderstood as a series can simply be thought of as a list of objects, age, number, function, random variable, etc., arranged in a certain order. Each object in that row is given a serial number or index to indicate its place in that row. The object with index I is called the ith term. The number of terms of a sequence, or possibly infinite, is called the length of the sequence. Triangular numbers from a sequence, unlike sets, the order of terms in a sequence is very important. For example, a sequence of letters or S, E, U, L, G, I is different from a sequence of letters G, E, U, L, I, S, even though the set of value for both is the same A, G, E, L, S, U. The exact sum element can appear repeatedly in different places in a row, as in the Fibonacci number sequence. The number 1 appears in the first and second term. More precisely, I sequence can be viewed as a function whose domain is natural numbers. Most sequence terms are arranged according to certain patterns, which can be formulated like arithmetic sequences and geometric sequence of format based on certain rules such as Fibonacci sequences and prime number sequences. However, in general, the lineup does not need to follow a certain pattern. Series. A series is the sum of the terms in a sequence. A series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. Finite sequence and series have a definite first and last element, while infinite sequences and series continue indefinitely. Converges to 1 in mathematics. If there is an infinite number sequence, then a series is simply the result of adding all the elements together. This can be written more concisely using sigma notation. An example is the famous series of Zeno's paradoxes and its mathematical representation. The terms in a series are often determined according to certain rules, for example by a formula or through an algorithm. Considering the unlimited number of terms, the result is often called an infinite series or infinite series. In contrast to finite sums, infinite series require the aid of mathematical analysis and in particular limits to be fully understood and manipulated. Apart from their large number in mathematics, infinite series are also often used in other quantitative fields such as physics, computer science, and finance. Important sequences and series are fundamental concepts in mathematics with various applications in real-world scenarios. Characteristics of sequences and series. 1. Order matters. In sequences, the order of the terms is essential, while in series, the order of addition influences the value. 2. Common difference or ratio. Sequences can have common differences or arithmetic or common ratio or geometric between consecutive terms. 3. Infinity possibility. Both sequences and series can extend indefinitely or reach a finite limit. Type of sequences and series. 1. Arithmetic sequences. A sequences in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. 2. Geometric sequences. A sequences in which each term is obtained by multiplying the previous terms by a constant ratio. 3. Arithmetic series. The sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. 4. Geometric series. The sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. Identifying patterns and rules. 1. Observation. Recognize pattern in the sequences or series. 2. Hypothesis. Formulate a conjecture or a rule based on the observed pattern. 3. Verification. Prove the hypothesis holds for all terms or the sum of terms. Arithmetic sequence. N sama dengan E1 plus buka kurung N min 1 tutup kurung D. Geometric sequence. N sama dengan A1 dikali R pangkat N min 1. Arithmetic series. Sn sama dengan N per 2 dikali buka kurung 2 A1 plus buka kurung N min 1 tutup kurung D tutup kurung. Geometric series. Sn sama dengan A1 dikali buka kurung R pangkat N-1 tutup kurung per buka kurung R-1 tutup kurung. Summing sequences and series. 1. Partial sums. Partial sums are obtained by adding specific terms in a sequence up to a certain position. 2. Infinite series. An infinite series is the sum of all the terms in a sequence that continue indefinitely. 3. Convergence and divergence. Series converges if the sequence of their partial sums approaches a finite value and diverge otherwise. Problem solving with sequences and series. 1. Real-world application. Sequences and series provide powerful tools for modeling and solving various real-life problems. 2. Financial mathematics. Sequences and series play a crucial role in interest calculation, annuities, and investment analysis. Mathematical patterns, discovering and deciphering patterns using sequences and series promotes critical thinking and logical reasoning.